In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively apply and track discounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're offering customer loyalty rewards or running a special promotion, QuickBooks provides a seamless way to manage these discounts. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. To do this, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website at qbo.intuit.com. Once there, simply enter your email and password to access your account. Logging in is the gateway to all the features and tools we'll be using today. Next, while this step is optional, you might find it useful to access your products and services list. So go ahead and click the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu under Lists, select Products and Services. By doing this, you can tailor your discount specifically to individual products or services, giving you flexibility in your promotional strategies. Now it's time to create the discount item itself. Start by clicking on the plus new button found in the left-hand menu of your QuickBooks dashboard. Under the Other category, select Discount. You'll see a form appear where you can fill out several fields. First, give your discount a name. For instance, you might call it Loyalty Discount if you're rewarding return customers. Then decide if you want the discount to be a percentage or a fixed amount. Enter the discount amount, being clear about the terms you want to offer. Finally, select the income account where you'd like this discount to be tracked. Most commonly, this will be under Discounts Given or Sales Discounts. This step ensures all your discount data is correctly categorized for later analysis. Moving on, let's apply the discount to a customer. When creating an invoice or sales receipt for a customer, add the necessary products or services to the transaction. To apply your discount, click Add Discount or add the discount item as an additional line. You'll then input the discount amount or percentage that you determined earlier. It's a straightforward way to ensure your customers receive the promotion you're offering. After you've done that, it's important to save the transaction. You have two options here. Click Save and Send if you wish to email the invoice directly to your customer, or Save and Close if you simply want to record it now and perhaps send it later. QuickBooks will automatically incorporate the discount into the total, ensuring your final numbers are spot on. Finally, let's review how these discounts affect your overall financial picture. Navigate to the Report section and select Profit and Loss. Within this report, locate the Discounts Given account to see a comprehensive list of all customer discounts applied during the period you're reviewing. This review step is critical for maintaining an accurate understanding of your business's financial performance. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to managing discounts in QuickBooks Online.